I didn't see you there. Now I see you. Yeah, I'm hungry. This is our brand new state-of-the-art vending machine here. I'm just going to get me some goodies. A lot of times they don't take these bills. But, oh, it likes my money. All right, what do I want? You can't go wrong with the Snickers. D2. There you go. Okay. Always be sure and get your change. I like the way these things work. Oh boy. Oh. Oh God.
Hey Chuck.
Hey.
How are you?
Hey, hey man. I was stuck. Can you help me?
Sure. What number's your hand in?
No, I mean try down here.
Oh, I'm sorry. I think his wallet's back here.
Oh.
There it is, right here.
No, don't take my wallet, man. Ah.
Give me a hand.
Oh. Oh.
There.
Oh. Oh, you got it.
You know what? I'd die for a Snickers too.
You know what?
Welcome to Clear Channel.
I've given up. Yeah, Moe's Pizza? You deliver? Good. Double, triple meat deluxe. 20 minutes? Thank you. So much for that new fandangled technology in the kitchen.